Busy day today. I rolled options, freed up some upside, and redeployed cash. Here's the quick rundown. First, RGTI. I bought to close the September 12th $15 call for $1.91. That cost me about $192. Then I sold to open next week's September 19th $17 call for 73 cents, bringing in $72. Net on RGTI, down about $119, but I pushed my strike $2 higher and gave myself another week. Next up, QBTS. I rolled 2 calls, closed the $16 for 66 bucks, sold the $17 for 58, small debit. Then closed the $15 for 151, sold the next week $15 for 168. That one paid me. Net on QBTS, up about 8 bucks overall. Then I went shopping. Picked up 100 shares of PLTR at about 164 a share, 16,500 total, and 100 shares of IONQ at 46.50 a share, about 4,600 total. Bottom line, I paid just over $100 today to reset my strikes and buy more upside. I'll be watching RGTI and QBTS in a Friday, and I've got fresh covered call ammo on Palantir and IONQ ready to go. I'm Steve, and that's options over 40 from an honest GenX'r.